we can make that work. Okay, I got some stuff to open. So, this is a mail call from Brian at True Drone Reviews. I have something from Gehrdes RC Addiction, from Thomas Gehrdes JR, and of course, Amazon. So, let's get with it. I like opening stuff. I just do. Okay, this first one here is from Gehrdes RC Addiction. And what Gene has sent me get it out of here. What Gene has sent me is a Mantis 85 frame and parts. Okay, and the reason why I believe he sent that is because he knew that I have this part of a Mantis 85. I got this part. I got this part. So I got parts, and I think I'll be able to get another one together. I got all these props. I had some new props. I got some clear ones too. I don't know why. I got another flight controller and ESC, and then another flight controller. So yeah. So I got everything to try and get another Mantis 85 in the air. Okay. This is from Thomas Gehrdes JR, and he wrote on here, drone pool here. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to get into this. So Thomas, Gene, thank you for that. Thomas, I want to thank you for sending this to me. Me and Thomas did a hangout on Google, did a Google Hangout, just us two, and he was presenting his screen to me and showed me how he designed stuff on his 3D printer. It was pretty cool. So he printed me up a couple things. Aww. Got something here for the grandson. That's cool. Thanks, Thomas. I got, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, I don't think there's anything in these. We'll find out. Okay. Grandson. And he sure did take these up good too. So let's see what's in the grandson package. These bags aren't going to be reusable. Oh, cool. He 3D printed him a little jet. Oh, and the wings even open up. Check that out. That is slick. And he just went home yesterday, Thomas, so I'll save this for when he comes back. Unless I keep it. I don't know. I may keep it. No, I'll give it to him. But if he leaves it laying around, I'm picking it up. Alright, cool. Thank you. Okay, what is this? I'm going to use a knife. Thomas, I hate to say it, but I pity the people who have to open up your Christmas presents if you wrap it. Just saying. Oh, these are coasters. I don't know if you can. I'm trying to get a good picture of it. Light in it. Drone pool coaster right there. Ain't that cool? I got a yellow one, or orange one, I mean. I'm trying to do this backwards in the camera, but you get the gist of it. Good grief, I'm struggling here, people. So it's a drone pool coaster. 2 of them. There you go. Sweet. Drone pool is getting hooked up today. Yeah, I know what this is, I believe. This is like an organizer, USB holder, store stuff. See? All these slots, you can store USBs in there, SD cards, you know, almost anything. Oh, I forgot about those. Check these out. Oh, you gave me a lot of them. These are receiver trays. Now, I asked him about these, and this is what he worked up on his computer right in front of me. You put these, like the last drone I built was an all-in-one PDB flight controller, so I had room. You mount this on top, you can put your receiver right in here. And actually, I have my receiver and my buzzer on this tray in mellow yellow. So these are handy. It helps you from having to find somewhere to secure your receiver, or, you know, you can even put a VTX in here or something. And, yeah, I got parts for days. Awesome, Thomas. Thank you very much. Sweet. Alright, what's in here? And I didn't realize that you were going to send me all this stuff. So this video is probably going to be a little bit long, but I hope you stick with it. Oh, I know what this is, too. He told me about this. And I guess this is pretty tricky. This is like a 3D puzzle. And it's not very easy to put together. You really gotta figure it out. So yeah, this is cool. Yeah, that's a puzzle. You take it apart and try and put it back together. A couple keychains right here. And this, I believe, is for the missus. Whoa, that turned out nice, Thomas. Check that out. That's a base that he 3D printed. And it looks cooler in my hand in person than it does on the screen. Whoa, that is cool. She will really, really like that. I know she will. That turned out sweet, Thomas. I like that. Awesome. Thank you, Thomas Gehrdes Jr. I'm going to put a link down below to all these guys' channel too. Okay, Amazon. Let's do Amazon. I don't know which one. Guess we'll do this big one. Let's see what's in here. Sorry, I didn't realize this was going to be so long. I didn't know Thomas was going to send me all that stuff. Okay. Prop nuts. I got nuts. This here is a parallel charger. I think that's what you call it, where you can charge multiple batteries at one time. I have one with XT30 connections, but I didn't have one for XT60. So that's what this is for, so I can charge multiple. Oh, this is a nice one. Wow. Amazon, $10. I can already tell this is better than the other one I got for my XT60s. But oh yeah, I can make that work. So see that, and it comes with a cable to you just plug it in here. Plug this in your, like I have an IMAX B6. Plug it in there. And just plug your battery and your balance port in here, and you can just double up your milliamps. If it's 1500 milliamp and you have two of them, that's 3000 milliamps. Just set it at 3.0 for charging. So sweet. Yeah, that's gonna come in handy. This really feels a lot better quality than my other one that I have for the XT30s. Got a little instruction manual. So okay, so that's that. These are my motors for my next build. I had to send all those, well, you know, they shorted me one motor. I ordered 4, they sent me 3. Well, they didn't have any more of that KV in stock, so I had to send them back, and I got, and these aren't really high grade, they're probably low grade motors, but they got good reviews. So I'm probably going to start this build pretty soon. Crazy Pony 2206 2400 kV. This is racing edition. Of course, I don't mean nothing. So my frame is blue, my props are blue, motors will be black, so I'll probably be going with a black and blue theme. And I'm thinking, oh, I didn't know that. They sent you an extra set of, I didn't need to buy those stupid. They didn't say that it was coming with these. I thought it was just coming with these stupid pointy ones. But they sent a regular set too, which I didn't know about. Oh well, I guess you can never have too many nuts, right? So now I'm thinking of doing some kind of video series on this build. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. I'm not going to do one real long video. I'm probably going to do it in shorter segments. So okay, this video is already 14 minutes long, so I need to hurry up. This is from Brian at Crew Drone Reviews. The Sky Viper Stunt Drone Builder. Check it out. This is pretty cool. Yeah, let's open it up. If you're getting bored, you can just quit watching, but I'm going to open it up. Check it out. Sweet. Antenna. Step 3. At least I got step 3. tell, I got some cool decals. I got assembly instructions. Okay, I'm not going to take all these parts out right away, but yeah, it's a kit you put together. This would be perfect for anybody who has a kid who's wanting to get started, that you, like a dad, could do together with your kid. That would be cool. You even got to put the controller together. Wow. There's a lot of detail stuff here. Circuit boards, motors. Awesome. This is probably for the controller here. So this is quite in-depth little kit. So between this, the Mantis, and my black and blue build, I got stuff to keep me busy for a while with the weather being crappy and wintertime and everything. So Brian over at TDR, thank you so much. This is cool. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about this. Alright. Nothing ever goes back the same way you took it out, so I'm not even going to try. So, got props, like a bunch of screws, battery, charger, parts, frame. So yeah, I'll put this together and that'd be cool. So that's my mail call. Once again, I want to thank Brian over at True Drone Reviews. I'll put a link in the description below. I want to thank Thomas Gehrdes JR. I want to thank Gene's RC Addiction. Awesome mail calls, just like Christmas. Alright, so thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate it. This is Drone Pool, signing out. This is cool, this is cool. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Drone Pool's gonna be busy. Drone Pool's gonna be very, very busy.